Very good morning, this is Neha. I am back with a new series of 10 days for complete beginners. If you think you do not know where to start yoga journey, you want to practice but you don't know what warm up to do, what movements to do, what asana, what pranayama, then this video is for you. Again, if you want to come back to the practice after a really long break, or if you're dealing with lot of stress and anxiety, because in this sessions and series I am going to keep it very calm, relaxing, a lot of body movement and breath awareness. This series can be done by anybody and everyone. So make sure that if you know somebody who wants to start practicing, share this video with them so that they can also start practicing. Now what do I want? I want a silent place and a mat and you with a positive mind. So let's start. Hope your mats are ready, hope you are comfortable and you are wearing comfortable clothes to start the practice. If you are ready, let's start the practice. Now before we start, I just want you to take few deep breathe in and breathe out so that you can relax your mind and body completely and you're ready for it. So just drop your shoulders down, keep your both the legs slightly apart from each other, lift your chin up. Now you're going to close your eyes, take one deep breath in and one deep breath out. Gentle smile on your face. Inhale once again and exhale. Now slowly open your eyes. So as I've told you before, so we are going to start this entire session today is going to be a lot of warm up, loosening up your whole body. Okay. So let us start with neck first. As we inhale and exhale, we are going to move our neck slowly to the right side. Give a slight push to look out and exhale to look outside, opposite side. Inhale and exhale. Very peaceful. Try not to be in a hurry. Just turn around and give a mild pressure stretch to look outside so that your neck can feel better stretch. Last one more time. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. Same movement up and down now. Inhale, let's go up. Without moving your shoulders, slowly drop your chin down. Inhale up and exhale down. Keep your lips closed. Exhale down again. Inhale up and exhale down. Come back to center. Now complete rotation. You're going to drop your neck down. Lean your neck, your head towards your neck. Move it back, side and down. Try to keep your eyes closed while you do this. 4 to 5 times each side. Slowly move around. Third one, inhale and exhale. Side and down, a peaceful movements. 4 and exhale. The last one, inhale and exhale. Get your chin down to the chest. Hold here for a second. Feel the stretch in back area of the neck. Come back to center. Let's try the same thing opposite side. Exhale down again to the left and side and exhale down. Feel the stretch, all your nerves are being stretched. Exhale down. If you can do this with eyes closed, it's going to be amazing. You can focus more on the experience you're going through right now with a lot of stretches. Inhale, last one. Exhale down. Stay here, chin down to the chest. Keep your shoulder wide and come back. Now, take your right hand all the way up. Drop your neck down. So hold your left part of your head. Now inhale once. Exhale, you're going to push mild. Drop your neck down to the right side. And from the left hand shoulder, you're going to make a circle. Inhale, lift your hand up. Open up your arms and drop it down. Inhale up and exhale down. 2. Move slowly. Inhale and exhale. 3. 2 more rounds. Move your shoulder. And the last one, inhale and exhale. Same thing goes the opposite side. 1 and down. 2 and down. Feel your shoulder moving. 4 and the last one. Inhale, move and exhale down. Slowly come back. If you feel any kind of a stiffness in the shoulder, you can also just move your shoulder instead of moving your entire hand. So now you can feel that as you have been holding here for some time, a mild pressure here. Just to compensate, we'll try the other side too. Lift your left hand up. Now slowly drop it to the other side. Let's try same movements. 1, extension of your arm and your shoulder and down. 2 and down. 3 and down. 4, inhale and exhale. Any discomfort, move only your shoulder. The last one, 5 and down. Take breaks in between if you feel it's too much of tension in the neck. Otherwise, you can just continue 5 more counts, opposite side. 4, 3, 2 and the last one, 5. You can come back. I can feel a lot of stretch and a mild pain. Obviously, when you move your body, you will feel that. So now just move your shoulders, very relaxing, so that all the muscles which been stretched so far will be relaxed here. Drop your neck down and continue to do the shoulder rotation few times clockwise, slow and a deep movements anti-clockwise. Now just do a mild stretch, look out and up and down. Now your neck is sorted and I'm sure you feel much better now. So from here, let's take our right hand all the way up. Now you're going to bend it to the side. Slowly give a deeper stretch and come back. Let's repeat this 5 times. Exhale down and come back. 3, down and come back. 4, come back. The last one, 5. Slowly go down and stay there. Keep your hand slightly behind the ear. Feel the stretch in your sides. Try not to go down completely. Just keep your shoulder up. Keep your spine straight. Just try to give the stretch to the side. Look in the opposite direction. Breathe in, breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back to center and drop your hand down. Let's try the same thing other side. Inhale, left hand goes up. From here again, exhale, bend down 2 more times. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, slowly go down. Inhale, come up. So the last time we're going to go down and stay. Exhale, keep your hand slightly behind the ear, look at outside. 1, 2, 3, breathe in, breathe out. 4, 5, slowly come back to center, drop your hands down. Now, take your right leg forward and left leg back. Okay, so from here you're going to give a little bit of a stretch to the calf muscles. So when you inhale, you're going to lift your hands up and you're going to lift your back heel on tip of the toe. So when you try to get your toe and heel in one line, you can feel a good stretch in your ankle as well as in your calf muscles. Okay, exhale, drop your hands down and lift your front toe up. So try not to go back, stand straight, spine in a straight line. Just try to lift your heel as much as toe as much as possible away from the floor. Okay, let's try this 5 times each side. Inhale, lift up, tuck your tummy and extend your arms as if you're trying to reach the ceiling. And exhale, drop your hands down, lift your toe up. Tighten your knee here. Inhale, hand go up, tighten your knee, lift your heel up, feel the stretch in calf muscles. And exhale down, lift your toe up. By this you're working on your knee as well as on your calf muscles both, hamstrings. Inhale up. And exhale, hands down, toe up. Last time, inhale up. And exhale, hands down, toe up. Now let us change the leg other way around. Inhale, back heel goes up, feel the stretch. And exhale down. Try to extend your arms when it goes up. Lift your spine, shoulders, arms, and slowly drop it down and lift your toe up. Inhale, hand goes up. And exhale down. Last one more time. Inhale up. And slowly exhale down. The slower you practice, the more stretch and flexibility you can experience. So try to really go as slow as possible. Now, a little bit of a stretch to the spine. So inhale, lift your hands up straight. Now exhale, bend your both the hands to the right side. So don't over try to stretch, just try to be where you're comfortable. And from here, extend your arms forward. So creating a stretch and a circle from your spine. Come to the side and slowly come back to center. You can feel so many parts of the body, your spine, your upper shoulder, your upper back and your stomach, a complete rotation. Let us do this 5 times both the sides. Now inhale, exhale, bend to the side, feel your ribs being stretched and your spine when you go forward. Extend your arms, come back to the side and come back to center. Again you exhale, bend to the side, continue the rotation. Inhale, come up. You can see the same thing from the side. Third one, round, come back. Fourth one, exhale, inhale, come back. The last one, exhale, down. Inhale, come back to center. Slowly drop your hands down. Relax your shoulders. Because in the process of moving around your spine, you would have also stressed your shoulder muscles a little bit. You have worked on them. So mild rotation to the back and forward, you're going to relax them again. So once you feel it's better, back to normal, let's try the same thing the other side as well. So inhale, lift hand up straight. Now we are bending to the left side. Exhale, side. Create a rotation. Feel your spine moving around. Come to the side and slowly come back to center. Make sure that you keep your awareness on your breath equally and the movement. Center. Third one, exhale. Exhale, fourth one. Inhale, center, the last one. Exhale. Inhale, come back to center. Now stay here. This would be slightly challenging as you can already feel so much in your shoulders and hands. Let's stay here for 5 counts. Just close your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your hands down. Now your spine is so much warmed up right now. Let us take it a little more further. Now you can come back to the mat down. Drop your knee down. So here both the knee can be kept one arm distance apart from each other, and from here one arm plus one palm. Okay, so you can keep your toe tucked in or pointing outside based on your comfort level. Okay, so now we are going to give a deeper stretch to the spine after a good warm up. As you inhale, focus on your stomach as well as your spine, as it is both connected to each other. When you move your spine in, your tummy is also trying to get closer to the spine. So let us do this 10 times, a deeper movement and stretch. Inhale, look up, open up your chest and shoulder. And exhale, round your shoulder completely, chin down to the chest. Inhale, look up. And exhale down. Inhale, feel your spine moving in, look up. And exhale, observe your shoulders and spine being rounded. Inhale, look up. And exhale, look down. Try to push the floor away from you. Inhale, spine in. And exhale, round your shoulder again. 5 more counts. 1. Exhale, round shoulders. 2. And exhale. 3. Exhale. 1. Last one. Stay here. Close your eyes. Just focus what kind of a stretch you're experiencing right now. You can analyze your body. You can see what part of the body which is really tight. Where do you have to work? What do you feel right now? It's just analyzing your body right now with the breath. And exhale, round your shoulder. Try to push the floor away from you. Chin down to the chest. Continue to breathe long. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. From here, as you inhale, you're going to take your neck in. So you're not moving your shoulder, you're just moving your neck so that you can feel a little more on the shoulders. Exhale when you go down. Inhale, round up. Completely flex your shoulders. Exhale down. Inhale up. You're going to loosen up your whole body with all these small movements. So you're ready for the day 2 for different asanas and practice. Down. Up. 2 more times. Down. Up. Exhale down. The last one. Inhale up. Now get your knees slightly together. Slowly drop your hip down on your hip. Your hip should be on your heels. Now extend your arms how much ever you can. You can be comfortable here as well. Try to take your palm a little ahead, 1 inch extra from the normal comfortable posture, and drop your head down. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Just try to observe the breath and a mild heaviness in your head. Some of you could feel, some of you would not feel. It is a blood rush to the head when you are in child posture.
and try to focus. What do you feel right now in this position? Just hold for a while. Now look forward slightly. Now come back. See the position again. One arm distance, one arm plus one palm. The child posture will really make you feel so relaxed in between the asana practice. Any tiredness, anything will just go away. So if you feel tired in between, keep taking enough breaks. At least as a beginner, you don't have to be so rough on yourself. Now, as you inhale, you're slowly going to turn, take your side inside, and you're going to look at your heel. It's going to give you quite a deep stretch to the side. Inhale and slowly exhale to the other side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. The last one, we are going to hold in the posture to feel slightly more deeper. Now here, when you try to take your side inside and look at your heel, if you feel too much of stretch, then figure out the comfortable stretch where you feel like staying. Hold on. 1, 2. You can also keep your eyes closed. 3, 4 and 5. Slowly move on to the other side. Stay here for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come back. Now you can also get your knees slightly closer to each other and get your palm slightly back, one half step, just like half palm back. So from here we are going to create a nice circle for your shoulder. So you're going to exhale to the side and slowly move your chest forward, back and back for your shoulders and also for your wrist. Forward and back. Keep your fingers open and if possible try to keep your fingers slightly bent and move. Slowly move around along with breathe in, breathe out. Now let's try the same thing other side. Exhale and inhale. Exhale and inhale. Exhale. Inhale. The last one. Come back to center. Just a bit of stretch to the wrist as well as the shoulder. Now take your palm again ahead and come back to the same position where you started. Now from here, take your right leg back. Okay, don't move any other alignments. It's okay, a little bit of alignment here and there is also fine. You don't have to be really strict on the alignments, that one arm, one palm, but you just have to have a basic understanding that when you are on your mat, your wrist and your shoulder should be in one line. That's the major thing. Okay, now from here take your right leg back on tip of the toe. Now from here you're going to go back. You're going to try and drop your heel down on the floor and come back. It's going to give a nice stretch to the calf muscles and your hamstring. If you have a tight hamstring, you'll really feel heaven right now because this posture is going to give a very good stretch. Inhale and exhale, just keep moving back and forward 6 to 7 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Now hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly get back to the front. Now take your another leg back. Now push your heel back again and forward. Very slowly. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time, and then we are going to hold. Now let us stay there in the posture for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the center. Now here, a bit of balancing in the day 1 itself, but you can choose to move either your leg or your hand or both. You figure out what works well for you. So now what I want you to do is, I want you to lift your left leg which goes back and right hand which goes forward. So try to keep your hand and your leg in one straight line and slowly come back. Now if you think it is too hard for you as a beginner, as you're trying yoga for the first time, it is not happening, then what you can do is you can just lift your one leg at a time and drop it down. One leg at a time, again other side, drop it down, and lift your hand up, drop it down, lift your hand up, drop it down. So you can find your own variation, or if you want to challenge and try to see how it works, please try along with me. We'll do this movement 5 times both the sides. Now as I inhale, I take my left leg back, try to stretch it out, toe pointing out. Feel the stretch in your abdomen as well, lower abdomen. Inhale, stretch your hand, lift it next to the ear. And exhale, slowly come down. Other side, inhale, stretch your leg back, toe pointing out. Inhale up and exhale down. Let's do this 4 more times. Inhale, hand and leg goes up and exhale down. Inhale, stretch, toe pointing outside and exhale down. 3 more. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale up and exhale down. Try not to move your spine or middle part of the body too much. Inhale up and exhale down. The last one. Inhale up, hold for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down. Last one more time. Inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. So now your wrist must be slightly painful. If that is the case, then just slowly come down, drop your palm down and up, just relaxing your wrist. We did not do a lot of wrist warm up today because we did not do too heavy on a wrist, so that is okay. If in case you feel like your wrist is painful, you can always come back and do few stretches, just a rotation and this one, and you can go back. And now drop your hands back next to the heels. Drop your head down for a second. Take a long breathe in, long breathe out. Try to relax with your eyes closed. Just keep your breath long. Now slowly come back to center. Now you can sit either in Sukhasana or in Vajrasana. I find it very comfortable to sit in Vajrasana, so you can also choose to be here, or Sukhasana is fine. So try to drop your shoulders down
Lift your both the hands up straight. Stretch your arms out. Lift your spine. Inhale. Exhale. Extension. Drop your head down. And inhale. Come back. Give a mild arch to the back.
So I'll show you from this side. You can repeat this 5 times with me.
Inhale up. Open up your chest. Exhale, go down.
Inhale, come up.
Look up. Open up your arms. Exhale, drop your head down. Inhale, come back again. Exhale, drop your head down, chest down. Inhale, come up, give a back stretch. Open up your chest. Exhale, go down. One last time. Inhale, come back. Open up your chest. Hold here. Feel your spine. Feel your breath. Feel your arms stretched out. Exhale, drop your hands down.
Now, just be in child posture for a second and observe your spine.
And slowly come back to center. Let's try to relax here. So these are the small movements which you try to open up your entire body. So which is a very good preparation for tomorrow's session. So as I'm assuming that you're extremely beginner or you want to practice to relax your mind, because the entire session is so focused on simple movements and your breath, you can find it that your mind is like much more relaxed, much more peaceful. So now let us try and add one pranayama few times, and Nadi Shuddhi pranayama. I'll tell you how exactly to practice this. If you do not know how to practice this pranayama, if you want to understand completely, I have made a video on it. You can find the link in description. Now, very simple way. Keep your left hand in Chin Mudra. Keep your shoulder wide, spine in a straight line. Now, from the right hand, second and third fingers bent inside. First and the fourth finger we are going to use to close the nostril each time you change the breath. So it's very simple way. You're going to inhale from one side and exhale from other side. Again you inhale from the same side and exhale from other side. Always remember, when you practice Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam, you're going to inhale from the left side first, always. So then it makes it very easier for you to continue. So I'll give instructions, just follow it for some time, then you'll get used to it. So close your eyes, bend your two fingers inside and then follow the instructions. Now close your right nostril, inhale from the left side, slow and a deep inhale. Close your left nostril, exhale from the right side. Inhale from the right again. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left inside. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. And exhale from the right. Now keep your eyes closed, drop your hands down. Now just follow your breath and just see if you can get your breath slightly longer than the usual. Have a gentle smile on your face. A long breathe in and a long breathe out. I'm sure you'll be getting a lot of thoughts at this moment, but try to keep the thoughts away from your mind and direct your mind towards the breath. You can also focus on the movement of the stomach and the chest. Now, with all your awareness, get your both the palm together and slowly rub your both the palm and try to make it warm, and drop your hands on your eyes. Feel the warmness of your hands on your eyes and slowly open your eyes and look into your palm. Thank you so much for practicing along with me. I'm sure you're feeling like really relaxed and amazing right now, but still I would like to hear from you. Please drop a comment about the feedback and what was your experience. If you do not have anything to say, you can just simply put a comment saying #yoga4cure grow more. This will actually encourage me more to make better videos and practices for you to practice along with me. So now enough for today, and I'll see you tomorrow again same time with day 2. Thank you. I'm also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga4Cure. You can message me there.